Welcome to Management Funda's subject Strategic Management, subtopic Strategy. In this session, we are going to learn meaning, definition, difference between strategy and policy. Okay, so strategy is what? The collection of our tactics need a name, and this name is a strategy. Okay, objective. Now, what are the objectives? Okay, we form strategies to achieve our objective. What is the objective? Our target. But objectives should be always quantified and measurable targets that answer the question how much by when. There is a saying that you can't improve what you don't measure. As such, plans without measurable objectives are not plans at all. They are merely task lists. Objectives include baseline performance, target performance, and an established date for achieving those objectives. An example of a strategic plan must include objectives as they are the foundation for planning. Okay, so what are the objectives? They are always measurable and quantified. The answer of the question, they always answer the question how much and by when you can do. When you assign some work to a particular person, you should always give them target that this work you will do in such a days, or you have to give a particular time to that person, and he or she should complete in that particular time period. Okay, so for example, our objective is to increase the client satisfaction from 82% to 90% by December 31st. How we accomplish that is the business of strategies and tactics. Suppose for this example, if you want to increase your customer satisfaction from 82% to 90% by December 31st, how you will accomplish it is the business of our strategies and tactics. Means you will make a strategy to achieve this objective, and this strategy will be the collection of different tactics. Now, meaning of strategy. Strategy tell us where we are and where we want to be. Okay, so what is it? So you should know where you are and where you want to reach. So strategy is like a bridge. Okay, it's a bridge in between where we are and where we want to be. The word strategy is derived from the Greek word strategos. Stratus meaning army and ago meaning leading, moving. Okay, so like all our management term, strategy term is also has a military base. Okay, so stratus meaning army. Okay, army means what? Is a form of peoples. Okay, form of manpower. Okay, so stratus means army, and ago means leading or moving. Okay, we have to lead, we have to move, keep moving. Okay, the strategy means what? Stratus means army and ago meaning leading or moving. Okay, so strategy is the action that managers take to attain one or more of the organization goals. Strategy is a well-defined roadmap of an organization. It defines the overall mission, vision, and direction of an organization. The objective of a strategy is to maximize an organization's strength and to minimize the strength of the competitor. Strategy, in short, bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to be. So strategy is like a bridge, okay, where we are and where we want to be. Okay, so it's like achieving our goals. Okay, we have a particular set of goals and that we have to achieve, and for achieving that, what we do, we form a strategy. A strategy refers to the action and decision that the company takes to reach its business goals and be competitive in its industry. It defines what the business needs to do and reach its goal. Okay, so strategy tells us what we actually need to do to achieve our goals, which can help guide the decision making process for hiring and resource allocations. A business strategy helps different departments work together, ensuring departmental decisions support the overall direction of the company. Okay, so strategies like action plans, okay, that help us to reach goals by allocating and utilization of all the resources, okay, and help us the different department work together, ensuring departmental decision support for the overall direction of the companies. So what we conclude here is strategy is a bridge between where we are and where we want to be. Now, definition of a strategy. Strategy can be defined as a general direction set for the company and its various components to achieve a desired state in the future. Strategy result from the detailed strategy planning process. Okay, so how we define it? A general direction set for the company. It's a general direction set for the company and its various component to achieve, means each one will be given a particular task and they have to work toward it to achieve a organization goals. Okay, the for all that together tactics are called strategies. Next definition. A strategy is all about integrating organization activity and utilizing and allocating the scarce resources within the organization environment so as to meet the present objective. While planning a strategy, it is essential to consider that decisions are not taken in a vacuum and any act taken by a firm is likely to meet by a creation for those affected competitors, customer, employees or supplier. Okay, so strategy is integrating organization activities, okay, to reach to our target goals. We each and every one, okay, in the organization should work toward it. So strategy do what strategy do what work strategy do is like integrating organization activity and utilization of scarce resources is very important. So strategy look after allocating of resources and it see to that all work together and they form a plan. It is essential to consider that decisions are not taken in a vacuum and the act taken by a firm is likely to be made by the reaction for those affected, okay, those who are affected with the goals, okay, means those are considered, okay, those are the part of the organization, even the competitors, customer, employees or suppliers. So this is a definition of strategy. Now, difference between policy and strategy. Okay, so policy and strategy always considered as the same. Okay, they means they are the synonymous of to the term policy and strategy, means both are same. The term policy should not be considered synonymous to the term strategy. The difference between policy and strategy can be summarized as follows. Policy is what? It is a blueprint of the organization activities which are repetitive, routine in nature. Okay, once the policy is formed, we have to follow it for the entire time period. Means say it can be for 1 year, it can be for 3 years or 5 years. Okay, so policy is like a blueprint of any organization activity which repetitive or routine in nature. While strategy is concerned with those organization decisions we have not been dealt before or faced before in same form. Okay, so whenever a new situations comes in the organization, we have to face them, and for dealing with them we have to form a strategy. So strategy is not which we have follow in our day to day or routine works. Okay, we have to make strategy in a different form when we face a different issues in the organization. Policy formulation is responsibility of top level management. Always top level management forms a policy, while the formation of strategy is always done by the middle level management. Policy deals with routine daily activity essential for effective and efficient running of the organization, while strategy deals with strategic decision. Okay, so policy deals with what? Routine and daily activities which is essential for effective and efficient running of an organization, while strategy deals with a strategic decision. Basically it is the action plan. Policy is concerned with both thought and action, while strategy concerned mostly with the actions. Okay, when we form a policy, it's actually a thought process and includes actions also, while strategy is concerned mostly with the action. It is action oriented, what we should do, how we have to face the particular problem, how we will achieve that defined objectives. Policy is what is or what is not to be done. Okay, so policy states us what to do and what not to do, while strategy is a methodology used to achieve a target as prescribed by the policy. Okay, so from policy we take a guidelines, and then we, in a strategy, we make our own methodology to achieve a set target by the organization. This is also again the difference between policy and strategy, which I have written in a vertical form. You can just go through this. So that's all in today's session. So what we have done today, we have covered a meaning, definition of strategy and difference between policy and strategy. I hope now the term tactics, policy and strategy is very clear by this in this session. Okay, with a lot of positive vibes. Signing off. For more management concept, please subscribe to Management Funda channel. Thank you.